What's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the latest version of Python on a Windows operating system and run Python codes. So let's directly dive into it. Now to install the latest version of Python, simply go to your browser and type in Python on the search bar and then hit enter. Now click on the first link which shows you python.org. This opens up the official site of Python. I'm gonna put this link in the description so that you can simply click on it and navigate the site. Here, go to downloads and you can see that it automatically identifies my Windows operating system. If you are in a different operating system, just go to the option for your operating system. To download it for Windows operating system, simply click on this Python 3.12 and it starts downloading. Once the download is finished, click on this setup file. This opens up the installation wizard for the latest version of Python. Now let's minimize our browser and here check this add python.exe to pause, as it's very important to execute your programs and automatically save the pause. Then click on customize installation and here you can see that all the options are correctly checked. Click on next and here it's important to check this option, install Python 3.12 for all users. Now simply click on install and it's gonna start installing. It will ask you administrative privileges, so click on yes and it continues installing. Wait for a couple of seconds to get it installed. Now you can see that our Python setup was successful. So simply click on close and now let's check if we have installed Python correctly in our system. Therefore, go to your taskbar and type in cmd to open command prompt. Here type in python space -- version and hit enter. You can see that the latest version of Python is correctly installed in our system. Now let's open Python and interact with some programs. To do that, simply type in Python and hit enter. This takes you to the Python interactive terminal where you can start to write some codes. So let's start by writing a simple Python code that prints hello world. So here type in print inside of parentheses and quotes hello world and hit enter. And you can see that hello world is correctly printed as an output. Another way of writing Python codes is using IDE or Integrated Development Environment for Python called IDLE, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. To do that, open your taskbar and type in IDLE. Click on IDLE. This opens up the Python's IDE, which is the idle shell. In this shell, type in the program print inside of parentheses and quotes hello world and hit enter. It simply gives you an output hello world. Now let's write another program with variables. So go to file, click on new file and here assign values to some variables. So type in a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 and type in print inside of parentheses a times b. Now go to this run button and click on run module to run the program. Click on OK to save the file. Let's name it product and save it on my desktop. Then save. After running the program, it outputs the product, which is 200, right? So this is how you can easily install the latest version of Python on Windows operating system and interact with some Python programs. I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.